Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Sparkling Doodling Koala. Sometimes I drink green tea. So today we are drawing a Japanese cup of green tea. The first step in drawing a Japanese cup of green tea is to make the cup. For the cup, you're going to draw an oval shape. And then you're going to draw a bigger oval shape so it looks like it's not that big. And then you're going to draw two lines coming down. And then you're going to draw a curved line that goes across to attach these two guys. And then you're going to draw a smaller one just like you did up here, but smaller down here. And then we're going to draw the T. For the T, you're just going to draw a curved line inside the oval you drew. And then inside that curved line, you're going to draw two little kind of curved ovals, like curved thin ovals, so that it looks like it's the reflection of the light. And then we're going to draw the mouth. For the mouth, we're going to draw a little curved line, and I want to make him so that he's sticking his tongue out. So I'm going to draw a U shape with a line here. And then for the eyes, one of them is going to be a sideways V, the other is going to be a circle, a small little circle. And then we're going to draw his cheeks. For the cheeks, you're going to draw two ovals. And then we're going to draw two smaller little ovals. And then back at the cup, you're going to draw two little lines.